I am primarily focusing on children's rights and women's rights.
Ang pagiging vocal ni Liza at authentic. Action speaks louder than words, iyan ang katangian ng isang Liza Soberano. Ibinahagi niya ang kanyang advokasya sa social media ang human rights advocacy. Hinuhugot niya ito sa kanyang karanasan noong kabataan niya. Kaya naman patuloy itong isinusulong ang human rights lalo na ang karapatan ng mga kabataan. Kaya ganito ang mindset ni Liza Soberano dahil naranasan niya ang pang-aabuso sa kanyang karapatan noong bata pa siya. We could not imagine how she handled hiding those traumatic experiences. She narrated her experience. Maybe it's one way how she can entirely move on with her life and heal. She opened her childhood experiences bravely, thinking it could be inspiration to other people. Kaya naman sa ngayon mahigpit talaga niyang ginagampanan at pinaninindigan ang kanyang advokasya. Liza has a pure heart, especially human rights.
Actually stand up and start speaking about their rights.
Thank you for watching.